Welcome to the unboxing of the Trust Emita microphone. As you see, it comes in this lovely case. Comes with a long USB cable. Phone head. Microphone holder. Microphone itself. Should fit in here. Nice and snug. Sticker, legal paperwork. Simple user guide. A second pop filter. For whatever reason you wanted one. Then a faceplate. That's it for the unboxing. I've now been using the Trust Emita microphone for 3 months now. The Trust Emita is a USB microphone which is plug and play. You don't have to install any third-party apps to use the microphone. Windows almost immediately recognizes the microphone and you're ready to go. The pros: better sound quality than my built-in headset microphone. It's good build, it's sturdy, has nice accessories like a desk stand and 2 different pop filters, and it comes with a long USB cable for flexibility, so you don't have to worry about distance from your computer to your desk. The cons: no physical on or off button on the microphone. This isn't really a big deal, but it would have been nice. It picks up background noises. I've heard it from my friends while gaming that they will hear me typing away. It's also when my girlfriend is behind me, about 10 meters away from me, and she sneezes, the people in my chat will hear it. The price tag is a bit high, normally it goes for around 100 euros. I personally got it on sale for around 80 euros. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. So as a conclusion, it's a good microphone. However, for the price I expected better background noise reduction. A physical on or off button would have been nice to have, just to make sure it's not recording when you want it turned off. You do get a lot of accessories in the package. most of which aren't exclusive to the Emita microphone and can be used for different microphones. I recommend the microphone if you can get it on sale. I think between 70 and 80 euros is a fair price. The normal price of around 100 is too steep. If it had better noise reduction, it would be worth the 100 euro price tag. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you have a nice day.